Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0533 refers to a high voltage condition detected in the AC pressure sensor circuit within the Honda HRV models from 2016 to 2022. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is identifying a voltage reading from the AC pressure sensor that exceeds expected levels. The AC pressure sensor helps regulate the operation of the air conditioning system by monitoring refrigerant pressure and providing crucial data to the PCM for optimal system performance. During normal operation, this sensor typically operates within a specific voltage range. If the PCM records a signal above 4.75 volts, it triggers the P0533 code, indicating a malfunction. The first step in addressing this code involves confirming the presence of the DTC and following a systematic diagnostic process outlined for this error. The AC pressure sensor is an integral component of the vehicle's air conditioning system, responsible for monitoring the pressure of refrigerant in the system. It is typically located in the engine compartment near the AC compressor. This sensor sends real-time voltage signals to the PCM, allowing it to make adjustments to the system's operation, ensuring that the AC functions effectively. Should the pressure levels deviate significantly, it could compromise the AC system's efficiency, requiring immediate attention. Moreover, the PCM uses the data provided to regulate other components like the blower motor and compressor, enhancing overall vehicle performance. If the sensor malfunctions or sends a voltage reading that exceeds the threshold, it can trigger the P0533 code, necessitating a thorough examination of the sensor and associated circuits. When diagnosing the P0533 code, several potential causes must be considered. The most common issue is a faulty AC pressure sensor that fails to relay accurate pressure data, leading to excessive voltage readings. Additionally, wiring issues such as frayed wires, poor connections, or corrosion can introduce intermittent faults, also causing erroneous signals to the PCM. A malfunctioning Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is another possible source of the problem. If the PCM itself is failing or not calibrated correctly, it may misinterpret the sensor's input. It's crucial to methodically eliminate these possibilities to effectively resolve the issue, ensuring that the air conditioning system is restored to proper functionality. Drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms when the P0533 code is active. A common symptom is a malfunctioning air conditioning system, where the AC may not cool properly, leading to discomfort in the vehicle's cabin. If the pressure sensor fails and the AC system operates inefficiently, it may cause additional strain on the engine, potentially leading to overheating during operation. Additionally, there could be unusual noises coming from the AC system or fluctuating airflow as the compressor struggles to operate within normal parameters. If the driver notices these symptoms, it's advisable to check for DTCs immediately to address any underlying issues before they escalate. In this first troubleshooting step for the P0533 code, the key is to confirm the problem's presence. Begin by starting the engine and allowing it to idle. While the engine is running, turn the blower switch on and then activate the AC. Next, use the HDS, which stands for Honda Diagnostic System, to check the current voltage level from the AC pressure sensor. You should generally see values below 4.75 volts if the system is functioning properly. If the reading is indeed more than 4.75 volts, this confirms the failure, allowing you to proceed further in the diagnosis. However, if the system appears to function correctly at this stage, it might indicate an intermittent issue or a temporary fault, requiring additional checks for loose connections or other issues. The second step towards troubleshooting the P0533 code focuses on confirming the integrity of the AC pressure sensor itself. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode to ensure safety during the procedure. Disconnect the AC pressure sensor's 3P connector to isolate the sensor from the system. To perform a manual test, you will need to connect terminals A and B together with a jumper wire, effectively bypassing the sensor. Once this is done, turn the vehicle to the on mode, ensuring the AC system is activated. Measure the voltage again using the HDS, looking for values exceeding 4.75 volts. If the results mirror the previous findings, you are likely dealing with a defective AC pressure sensor that requires replacement. If not, further investigation will be required. In the third troubleshooting step for P0533, the focus transitions to checking the PD sensor line to ensure proper voltage delivery from the AC pressure sensor to the PCM. Start by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode again and removing any jumper wires used previously. Then, switch the vehicle back to on mode. With the AC pressure sensor's 3P connector still disconnected, use a multimeter to measure the voltage across test points 1 and 2, which correspond to specific pins on the AC pressure sensor connector. You should see a reading near 5.0 volts. If this reading is obtained, it indicates that the wiring and connections in this portion of the circuit are functioning correctly. However, if the reading is significantly different, further diagnosis of the wiring is required. The fourth step in addressing the P0533 code involves checking for continuity in the PD sensor wire to ensure no breaks or shorts exist that could affect performance. Again, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode. Jump the SCS line using the HDS tool, which facilitates safe diagnostics by disabling the SRS system. Disconnect the PCM connector to isolate the system further. You must then determine continuity between test points 1 and 2, while both the AC pressure sensor 3P connector and the PCM connector are disconnected. If you find continuity between these 2 points, it indicates that the PD sensor wire is intact. In such a case, it may require PCM software updates or possibly replacing the PCM to solve this DTC effectively. If continuity is not present, repair any detected open circuits in the PD sensor wire leading to the AC pressure sensor. The final troubleshooting step for the P0533 code aims to check the SG5 line for integrity. As always, start by placing the vehicle in the off or lock position. Once again, jump the SCS line to effectively disable the SRS for safety during testing. Disconnect the PCM connector and prepare to measure continuity. With the AC pressure sensor 3P connector still disconnected, check the continuity between test points 1 and 2, which pertain to the signal wire from the PCM to the AC pressure sensor. A proper continuity check will confirm that the SG5 wire is functioning without breaks. If continuity exists, the issue likely resides with the PCM itself, warranting updates or replacements. Should you find no continuity, proceed with opening the wiring harness to repair any faults leading to the AC pressure sensor. After completing the necessary repairs related to the P0533 code, it is crucial to verify that the issue has been resolved. Start by ensuring that all repairs have been thoroughly completed, including any replacement of the AC pressure sensor or wiring fixes. Next, use the HDS system to clear the DTCs and reset any associated system codes. Once cleared, conduct a test drive of the vehicle, monitoring for any symptoms or signs that the air conditioning system is functioning as expected. Over the course of the test drive, make periodic stops to check for DTCs again to ensure the P0533 has not returned. If no DTCs appear and the AC operates correctly, the repair process can be considered complete, restoring full functionality. To prevent recurrence of the P0533 code, establishing a routine maintenance schedule is essential. Regular inspections of the AC system can ensure that all components are functioning properly, and any early warning signs of malfunction can be addressed before they escalate to serious issues. This includes monitoring wiring connections for any signs of wear or corrosion, which are common culprits of electrical faults. It is also advisable to periodically check the performance of the AC system itself by evaluating temperature outputs and overall system pressure. Maintaining clear and accurate refrigerant levels is also crucial, as this ensures the AC system operates within its designed parameters, reducing the risk of future DTCs related to the AC pressure sensor. In summary, the P0533 code surfaces as a significant issue related to the AC pressure sensor circuit within Honda HRV models from 2016 to 2022. By following a structured troubleshooting process, technicians can accurately identify faulty components, such as the sensor itself or wiring related to the communication with the PCM. Addressing these issues promptly can alleviate discomfort during vehicle operation and enhance overall performance. Additionally, implementing preventive measures such as routine inspections can help avoid similar future complications. Keeping the AC system and its components in optimal condition will ensure a consistent and comfortable driving experience for passengers. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!